Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best car toolkits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a DIYer, or just want to be prepared for those unexpected car troubles, these toolkits have you covered. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below, and let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the TL Green 95-piece tool set. This compact yet versatile kit is a great entry-level option for those who need basic tools for everyday repairs and light maintenance tasks. It includes essentials like a utility knife, water pump pliers, adjustable wrench, and a variety of sockets and bits, all stored in a durable plastic toolbox. The tools are heat-treated with carbon steel, which gives them a solid build and decent corrosion resistance. Design-wise, the TL Green set is lightweight and portable, weighing just under 10 pounds. The carrying case is compact, which makes it easy to store in your car trunk or garage without taking up too much space. While the tool selection is more limited compared to larger kits, the focus here is on quality over quantity. Each tool feels sturdy in hand, and the included components are well-suited for small household or automotive repairs. However, the TL Green set may not be ideal for those needing a comprehensive kit for advanced mechanical work. It's best suited for light DIY projects or as a supplementary kit for quick fixes. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option for minor repairs, this kit is worth considering. Pros include its portability, durable build, and the inclusion of essential tools. On the downside, its tool count and variety may not meet the needs of more advanced users. At number 4, we have the 159-piece Tools Kit by Coopool. This kit is a solid mid-range option that balances variety and practicality. With 159 pieces, including a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, hex sockets, and more, this kit is designed to handle a wide range of tasks, from household fixes to car repairs. All the tools are crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and a long lifespan. The design of the Coopool toolkit is also a standout feature. The tools are housed in a plastic toolbox that is both sturdy and well-organized, with molded compartments to keep everything in place. The case is equipped with a carrying handle, making it easy to transport. At just under 10 pounds, it's lightweight enough for portability, but still robust enough to handle tougher repair jobs. It's also worth mentioning that the tools meet ANSI and DIN performance standards, giving you confidence in their quality. That said, while the Coopool kit offers a good variety of tools, it doesn't include some specialized pieces that might be needed for more intricate automotive work. It's best suited for general home repairs, car maintenance, and DIY projects. Pros include its wide selection of tools, durable materials, and solid storage case. On the con side, it may not be the best choice for professional mechanics or heavy-duty tasks. All in all, it's a great gift option for new homeowners or DIYers who want a versatile toolkit. Coming in at number 3 is the Craftsman 57-piece mechanics tool set. Craftsman is a well-known and trusted name in the tool industry, and this set reflects their commitment to quality. It's a compact yet effective collection of tools designed for basic home repairs and light automotive tasks. The set includes a low-profile ratchet with a 72-tooth design, allowing for a 5-degree arc swing, which is perfect for working in tight spaces. Other tools include a hammer, pliers, a utility knife, hex keys, screwdrivers, and sockets, all housed in a durable blow-molded case. What sets this kit apart is its user-friendly design and excellent build quality. The tools have a polished finish that resists rust and corrosion, and the blow mold case ensures that everything stays organized and easy to access. Weighing just over 6.5 pounds, it's lightweight and highly portable. Plus, the inclusion of a full lifetime warranty on mechanics tools gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. The Craftsman 57-piece set is an excellent choice for those who value reliability and portability. However, with only 57 pieces, it's not as comprehensive as some of the other kits on this list. It's best for light to moderate repairs rather than heavy-duty or professional use. Pros include its high-quality construction, compact design, and lifetime warranty. On the downside, its limited tool selection might not meet the requirements of more demanding users. Nonetheless, it's a fantastic option for beginners or as a secondary kit. Our runner-up is the King Tool 325-piece home repair toolkit. If you're looking for a toolkit that offers the most variety and versatility, this one is hard to beat. With an impressive 325 pieces, the King Toolkit comes loaded with everything from wrenches and screwdrivers to a 72-tooth ratchet, tape measure, and precision screwdrivers. The tools are made from heat-treated chrome steel, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. One standout feature is the included toolbox, which has a unique one-drawer design that expands the storage capacity. This makes it easy to organize and access the tools, even with such a large selection. The tools themselves feel solid and comfortable to use thanks to TPR soft grip handles that enhance control and reduce fatigue during extended use. At nearly 15 pounds, this is one of the heavier kits on our list. But the added weight is justified by the sheer number of tools included. The King Toolkit is perfect for anyone who needs a comprehensive set for a wide variety of tasks. Whether you're a homeowner, a handyman, or someone who likes to tinker with cars, this kit has you covered. Pros include its extensive tool selection, durable build quality, and well-designed storage case. On the downside, its larger size and weight might make it less convenient for on-the-go use. Overall, this is a fantastic choice for those who want a complete toolkit at their fingertips. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Cartman 148-piece automotive and household toolset. This toolkit strikes the perfect balance between variety, quality, and affordability, making it our top pick for car enthusiasts and DIYers alike. The set includes a wide array of tools, such as pliers, a claw hammer, a magnetic bit holder, combination wrenches, and even insulation tape. Each tool is heat-treated and chrome-plated for long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance. The design of the Cartman set is also worth mentioning. The tools come in a sturdy blow-molded case with molded slots, ensuring everything stays organized and secure. Weighing just 5 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for both home and car use. The tools meet or exceed critical standards, so you can trust their performance in a variety of situations, from small DIY projects to more demanding repairs. What sets the Cartman kit apart is its versatility and ease of use. It's not just for car enthusiasts. Homeowners and hobbyists will also find plenty of value here. Pros include its comprehensive tool selection, durable build quality, and lightweight design. On the downside, it may not include some of the specialized tools required for advanced automotive work. But for the price and what it offers, the Cartman 148-piece toolset is a clear winner. Highly recommended for anyone who wants a reliable all-around toolkit. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.